Hey Randy, here's this prototype, man. This turned out really cool. And also you can blow on it and it'll spin. That's freaking nuts. Anyhow, there's the first prototype. It's not really that big. Plus it moves. And you could do these in red, have this in red, the ring, or the center red. Takes a little fiddling to get it to work, but that'll be a good thing that you could show at the shows. So oh, okay. It's sturdy. Won't come apart. You have to press them in there, but it's loose enough to spin freely. So, all right, man. I'll send you a video on it. Show it to the guys. Later.